Question: why are we so drawn to nature? Countless poems have been written recognizing its beauty and all it inspires. Countless songs, more paintings that we can count. Have you noticed that even the sounds and images of nature are used as a form of relaxation? It is no accident that we enjoy going for a picnic, hiking, taking photos of flowers, plants, and birds. Let us remember that creation is the expression of God's will. Without a doubt, there is a close relationship between human beings and nature. Human beings were created to walk barefoot on the earth, among trees, feel the wind on their faces, and drink from the clean springs. To contemplate the face of the Creator in nature. Nature was their temple, and in it they found the reflection of the Creator. Every tree was a reminder of life, every river a symbol of purity, every sunrise a promise of hope. But over time, man began to distance himself from the sanctuary. He traded forests for concrete buildings, birdsongs for the sound of engines, the starry sky for bright screens. Today, many no longer seek God in the rustling of leaves, the magnificent seas, or the calm of the mountains. There is only the rush of the city, the artificial lights, and the never-ending technological advance. Man has forgotten that the land he walks on is not a right, but a privilege. He has disregarded nature as if it were a soulless resource, when in reality, it is a divine gift. And by breaking that bond, he has also disconnected himself from his own essence and from the God who inhabits it. Technology and city life are not the enemy, but they become chains when they make us forget that we are part of something much greater. When they blind us to the miracle that every tree, every flower, and every river represents. We curse the rainy day because it causes delays and inconveniences, floods and damage to the roads. But we forget about the little piece of paper that is carelessly dropped anywhere on the street, instead of being placed in its proper place. Abundant rain is not the problem. It is a blessing. Let us wake up. Let us become aware. This beautiful planet is the only one we have. It is our temporary home. Of course, we can take better care of it. Let us be intentional. When human beings maintain their connection with nature, something greater than themselves is activated. It is not just the body that benefits, but also the soul, which reconnects with its origins. Physically, nature gives us health. Pure air oxygenates our lungs. The earth strengthens our immune system, and sunlight awakens vital energy within us. Walking barefoot on the grass, breathing deep in a forest, or listening to the murmur of a river are not superficial experiences. They are reminders that we were designed to live in harmony with creation. Emotionally and mentally, nature restores the peace that the rush of the city robs us of. It reduces stress, organizes our thoughts, and opens space for inner clarity. It's as if every tree, every bird, and every drop of water whispers in our ear that everything is in its place, and that we can be there too. Spiritually, connection with nature is, in reality, an encounter with God, because creation is a reflection of His greatness. A sunrise is not just light, it is a divine message of hope. A bird's song is not just sound, it is a prayer in motion. And when man contemplates nature with humility, he discovers that he is also contemplating the Creator. Maintaining this connection transforms us profoundly. The body is strengthened, the mind is calmed, the soul is elevated. It is in this sacred union that we find fulfillment. Humanity, nature, and God are not three separate realities, but a single symphony. When we remember this and live accordingly, we experience true health, not only of the body, but of the spirit that knows it is part of the whole. Because nature is not just a landscape we contemplate, it is the mirror of our very own existence. Every river that flows, every tree that grows, every star that shines remind us that we are part of an infinite web woven by the Creator. Humanity is not separate from creation. Humanity is part of it. Your body belongs to the physical world. Your spirit belongs to the celestial realm. And your essence comes directly from the Eternal One. When we breathe, we share the breath of the trees. When we drink, we share the life of the rivers. When we love, we reflect the love of the Creator. Everything is connected. The flower depends on the bee. The bird depends on the air. Man depends on the earth. And the entire earth depends on the divine love that sustains it. Discovering this interdependence is not only about understanding life, it is about recognizing that within us dwells a spark of that same divinity. We are a bridge between the visible and invisible worlds, between the earth we walk on and the sky that inspires us. When we honor nature, we honor ourselves. When we seek the Creator within the depths of creation, we discover that He has always been within our own hearts. Returning to nature is not a step backward. It is returning to the origin. It is to remember that the human heart beats in sync with the heart of creation and with the Creator Himself. We are one with nature, with the Spirit, and with the Creator. Let us live in that unity. Beneath the sky's unending dome, where rivers sing and forests roam, a hidden thread unites the whole, the breath of God within the soul. Each leaf that sways, each star that glows, whispers a truth creation knows, that man is not apart, alone, but woven where the seeds are sown. The mountain's strength, the ocean's tide, reflect the power we hold inside. The morning sun, the gentle rain, mirror the grace we can attain. When spirit listens, silence speaks, the hand of God in valleys, peaks. And in the stillness, hearts will find the sacred union of all kind. For man and nature, God above, are bound by threads of light and love. One song, one breath, only one flame, eternal, timeless, all the same.